Teach your dog how to nudge the hand. Lesson 2. And go. Present the hand. Oh, you can present your hand too. That's nice. This as an alert behavior, a way of indicating to a medical episode. So let's say you have diabetes or POTS or seizures, have like a dissociative state. It'll help you, focus on being here and now and present. And you want your dog to remind you to stop scrolling so much. They can come over and give you little nudges, and that will be your cue to say, hey, okay, it's my time to pay attention to my dog and change up what I'm doing. Okay, so lesson 2 for teaching the nudge behavior is the first lesson we had food in the hand. Now we're not going to have food in that hand, but we're still going to reward with food. So no food in here, still presenting it the same way I did before, kind of like the knuckles towards her. Good. And waiting for her to do a nudge without a lick. Yes. Oh, there was a little lick in there, but that's okay. Not a huge deal. Present the hand. Oh, you can present your hand too. That's nice. This is very nice. But you got to do this. Too much licking. Yes, good girl. That was beautiful. And then we're just rewarding with food from still with the food pouch, but not from this hand. Yes, good girl. Very nice. So we just present the hand. Like I said, I like presenting the back of my hand to her. They have a tendency to lick more in this side because that's where we were presenting the food. And so I just present the back of the hand. You can keep it tight like a fist or a little bit open loose. Yes, and we're looking for those strong nudges. Yes, good girl. Very nice. Yes. Good job, Mama. Very nice. Nudge. Yes, good girl. Good nudge, Mama. That is so good. Great girl, Mama. Yes. Good girl. Very nice. Yes. Good girl. So you want to keep practicing this until you get anywhere from 3 to 5 strong nudges. Nice. Nice. Good nudge. Yes. Good girl. And then at this point, I'm also adding the word nudge after she does it, saying good girl, good nudge. Good nudge. Good girl. Yes. Good nudge. Beautiful, Mama. That was really good. Very nice. You can also practice on both hands. My right hand is usually the one that gives her food, so I have a feeling she's going to try to lick it more. Yeah. Yes. Good girl. Very nice. But she didn't. So no food in the hand. Present it. Backside to her. Yes, good job. Very nice. So get comfortable with doing both hands and nudge on both hands. Yes, good girl. Beautiful, Mama. And then nudge. I don't need your puppies. I didn't need these puppies. It's very nice though. Nudge. Yes, good nudge, Mama. Very nice. Awesome. That was so impressive. One more. Nudge. Yes, good.